Welcome to Lesson 38, page 264 and 265. This is the song titled Ring the News in our Level 1 book. And we're going to take the same approach as we did in our last song, Celebration Day. And there's a lot of repetition in this song. So we're actually going to focus on the first two measures and the last four measures together. But there's a lot of marks in our song. They're really testing all of our musical skills as we are on our last song in the book before our final ensemble in the song in the book called The Fruit Vendor. Okay, for Ring the News, let's talk about all these symbols in the song quickly. First, we have our dynamics. How loud or soft are we playing? There's forte and piano. Remember, forte means loud and piano means soft, okay? So when you see the F, we're going to do forte for the first four, and it looks like 5 through 8 would be soft again. And then it's forte again in measures 9 through 12, and then 13 to the end, we play piano. And at the very end of the song, there's two P's. Do you know the name for this? Two P's is pianissimo, and it means very soft. But you will kind of naturally get there on the piano. You'll see when we review that together. Okay. So we got our dynamics, how loud or soft we play. But look, there's another symbol. This line that's over top of the notes is called a slur. And it means to play legato or make sure that the notes are connected. And that's going to happen automatically because of this symbol down here. This is a pedal mark. Remember, the piano pedals at Piano Lab, we have 3. And the one that you want to use, I'll draw them right here. Here's one pedal. 2 pedals, 3. The pedal we use is on the far right of our piano. So if you have a real acoustic piano at home, you'll do the same thing. If you just have a digital piano and one pedal, well, you just press that one pedal. You press the pedal down when the first mark is down, and you keep holding it all the way until it says up, right here at the end when the line goes up, and you'll let go, and then you press it down again for measures 3 and 4 and release at the end, okay? And it looks like 5 through 8 and 13 through 16 do not have pedal marks, okay? So look out for those. All right, we've talked about a lot of the marks in our song. Last symbol I'm seeing is there are some sharp symbols in here for the note F sharp that we're playing in both the left hand and the right hand. Remember, F sharp is the first black key in the group of 3. We get there because we go from F, and sharp means go up and to the right. So we get up to F sharp. Okay. Those are all our notes and symbols. Now let's find our hand position. The right hand for this song is playing finger 5 on G. So let's put our right hand there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on G. There's our note. And then we're going to put finger 4 on F sharp because that's what note you need next. 3 is on E. 2 is on D. 1's on C, but C is played a lot in the left hand in this song, but you will have to switch back and forth, but 1 is on C. But it starts with C in the left hand, okay? Very good. In the left hand, looks like finger 1 is also on C in the left hand, so I'm going to put finger 1 there. We've got C, B, A, G, and F sharp you'll use with your pinky. You don't have to leave it there. You can reach up to F sharp with your pinky when you need it. So here's our hand position. G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G, and F sharp in the left hand when you need it. Okay? All right, those are all the notes we need. Now, we're going to take the same approach to learning this song as we did Celebration Day. The parts that we play hands together, we'll try right hand only, then left hand only, and then put it together. But we're going to learn the first line today because once you've learned measures 1 and 2, you've also learned 3 and 4, 9 and 10, and 11 and 12. So let's just work on 1 and 2. It starts with the note G. Let's play a G on 3. 1, 2, 3, G. Now F sharp on 3. 1, 2, 3. It's just going down one note at a time, just like we played. Now play an E and a D. And now that moving to measure 2 is all left hand, play a C with your thumb, a B, an A, and finally a G. Now we're going to try that at a steady beat, but don't forget to hold your pedal. So we're going to play G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, all going to mush together and be legato like the slur mark wants us to. Okay? Let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, first 2 measures. G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Excellent. Let's try that again, but this time do it 2 times in a row. But at the end of measure 2, lift the pedal and put it back down for measure 3 and 4. Here we go. 1, 2, first 2 lines. G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Lift and press the pedal back down. It has to happen fast. And then we let go. Okay, very good. So now we're going to look at the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measures of the song over on the second page. So we're going to look at 13 to the end, just because the pattern that we play in 13, 14, and 15 is very, very close to what you do 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? But let's do right hand only to start. Okay? It starts with a rest, and then we play C, E, C in measure 13. So let's play C, then an E, and back to C. In measure 14, the note that comes after our rest is a B. All you're going to do is slide your thumb over from C to B, and then use finger 2 to play a D, and then back to B. Good. And in measure 15, we rest again, and then we play C, D, F sharp with finger 4, and then we hold a G for measures 16 and 17. We just hold the G for 8 beats because there is a tie that ties the 2 whole notes together. So the whole note's 4 beats for each whole note. They're tied together for 8 beats. Okay? All right. We've done the right hand, but now let's try it at a steady beat. So right hand, don't forget the rests, okay? 1, 2, right hand, go, rest, C, E, C, rest, B, D, B, rest, C, D, F sharp, G. And we hold that G for 8 beats. Fantastic. Now the left hand. When you're resting in the right hand, the left hand plays. And our notes are A, G, F sharp. And then in measure 16, we rest in the left hand and play rest, C, B, A, and a G for 4. And also to mention, we didn't mention earlier the ritardando. That means to gradually slow down for the end of the song. Okay, so we'll add that in there. Let's do the left hand right now at a steady beat, because I think it's easy enough for us to just play right now. You can try to play it piano or soft if you want as an extra challenge. 1, 2, 13 to the end. A, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. Reach with your pinky, F sharp, 2, 3, 4. Rest, C, then B, slow it down a bit, A, slowing, G for 4, and off. All right, so now that we've done it hands separate, we're going to give it a shot hands together. And maybe before you try it at a steady beat, you kind of just play it however you want at home, like this, and you're just playing through the notes and you're not really worried about the time. That's okay. You just kind of figure it out on your own before you start to play it at a steady beat. See, I wasn't really following a great steady beat there, but now I am that I practiced it. Let's do it together. Okay, 13 to the end. 1, 2, here I go. tried to get that very soft at the end. All right. Any other sections of the song that are hands together, work through it just that same way. Right hand only, then left hand only, then try it hands together. But let's try all of Ring the News now from beginning to end. And we're going to start with our left hand thumb on C, remember. Remember, take your time getting to this point. You can always come back to it, the video, when you're ready. All right, I'm going to start with the pedal down, and here we go from the very beginning. 1, 2, here I go. G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G, and I'm lifting and pressing the pedal again. And now I'm going to let go of the pedal. I'm trying to play a little quieter. Two, 3, 4, press the pedal. G, F sharp, C in the left hand. Lift and press that pedal again. Okay, quietly. Playing B, F sharp, slowing down. Fantastic. Congratulations on finishing your last song in the Level 1 book. The final ensemble is up next. Way to go, and I hope you're looking forward to Level 2.